How's it going, guys? Thought I'm going to do a bit of a different series, and I'm going to do some reviews on some gem wash pay dirt bags, possibly do some gold pay dirt reviews and things like that, just from all different little local companies, just to support your local businesses. So I thought, why not? May as well buy a few, add to the collection. With the gemstones, I'm going to see which ones we can send away and get cut, bring them back, and show you the final results from stone to faceted gem. We'll open it up, have a bit of a look. Bit hard to do one-handed, but there we go. Oh, comes with a little jar and a nice big bag of dirt. I'll get this out so you can see. There we go, it's out of the bag. These are $40 plus postage, so $50 all up. I can already see a nice one right there. One there. We'll get it into the pan and we'll start having a bit of a look. Got both sizes of the gem sieves, so I'm going to run it through both. See what we get out of them. It looks bloody juicy in there. You can see some nice sapphires already off the top of the bat. Oh, nice. Looks like I've seen a big bommy piece go in there. Oh, look at that. That's just bloody marvellous, that one. Very nice. Open the jar. Give them a bit of a shake. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure if it's got colour. Oh, it does. This one, I'll see if I can get a better photo in the sun. That's a nice one, that. Very nice in there. It's hard to pick up on camera. But she's completely see-through. Party sapphire. Alright, we'll get back to the rest of them, see what we get. We've got a couple in the top sieve, that's cool. That's a bomb piece. There's some really nice ones in this lot. Go through at the end and I'll get some proper photos and things. Break all these up just in case. You never know. Break all that up. Nothing in that one. That one is really nice inside, it's very clear, nice blue. That one's a nice party sapphire. So we'll definitely have a few nice cutters out of this one. I'm going to be sending them away to get them cut, whichever ones we can. See what we get back out of them. It's another really nice dark blue one. I think that one's a bit, that's a bomby piece. quite a few in the top seal this time. It's a very dark blue piece again. Still a few in here. Go back through that and have a look. Now for our smaller ones, they are just littered through this. I don't know how well you can make that up on the camera, but they are everywhere. And they're all nice, clear little bits. I'll be here for a little bit by the looks of this, picking these ones out. So there we go. That's a nice little orange one. We're going to end up with a few carrots out of these, but judging by the clearness of some of them, that's a black one, we're going to end up with quite a few cutters. Gonna have to put the light board under this, I think, just to make sure I get all the little ones. The more you look, the more you find. I highly recommend this company, especially if you want to get into collecting sapphires and things like that, and sort of want to see what they look like in the dirt and things, trying to locate them. This is definitely a pretty cool thing to do with the family if you wanted to buy a couple of bags and just sit down and get the sibs out, go through them. You never know, you might even get some sent away yourself and turned into actual gemstones and be able to make some jewellery out of them for a decent price. Come back to this. It's literally riddled. And we might have a couple that are in there as well that we'll have to go through, the very small ones. Definitely have a look. So far, out of the first, I cannot complain about that. That is pretty much a full container. Some nice sapphires. On to bag 2. It looks like there's a couple of nice ones in this one as well. You see straight off the bat. Oh, there's some big ones in there too. These are bombing pieces. It's another clear piece. See what we get out of this. That's actually Got some colour, that's a nice big one. Oh, that's lovely and clear, that one. Oh, that's a beautiful blue one there. Oh no, we got a sapphire stuck in the seat. Pop that out. Yep. More than certain I'll miss some in this one. I'll go it through later on. Just double check everything. Alright, we'll chuck this one to the side for now. I'm pretty sure that's one there. Yep. Alright. So that was just out of the tops. Very nice. That was nearly a full jar in the top sieve. Damn. And there's lots in this one too. I'm going to get through these, see what we get out of it. I'll get back to you shortly. So the 2 gem bags are finished. This pile here is going to be the cutters. We got 17 cutters out of that. These ones here all have colour but have got a lot of fractures and things like that in it. These ones here are just a little bit too small to get them cut. Still have some nice colour in some of them. And these are the little bomb pieces. So there's not really many bomb pieces. But overall, that's a pretty good company for sapphires. I highly recommend Sapphire by Nature. If you want to sit at home and do your own gem wash, pay dirts and things like that, and get some cut stones yourself, jump over and support local businesses. And yeah, I have got a few others here. That garnet's from Vogus Prospecting, but the rest of them are all getting sent away as well to be cut, and they are from Sapphire by Nature as well. So we'll have 25 stones going to get cut, and we'll show you them when they come back from the cutter.